Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2020 to 2024 Kia K5 key fob. This key fob does take one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. To swap out the battery in this key fob, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver, but the first thing we're going to do is turn the key fob to its side. Find this button here on the side, we're going to press it, and then we're going to pull out on the physical key. Next, on the inside, there's a small slot in the middle, right here, where you can insert the flathead screwdriver and twist, and it'll start to pop the key fob apart. You can remove it the rest of the way with your fingers. And then on the back side of the case here, we have our battery. So we're going to take our flathead screwdriver to work its way under the battery. We're going to get rid of the old battery, bring our new battery in and install it positive facing down. The seats into place. And we'll flip this around and snap it together. All around. And then we'll replace our physical key and we're finished. So hopefully this video helped you in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.